नमस्कार बच्चों। आशा है आप सभी अपने घरों में स्वस्थ व सुरक्षित होंगे। आइए आज हम एक चैप्टर पढ़ेंगे जो है गारंटी ऑफ प्रॉफिट्स टू अ पार्टनर। ये क्लास 12th अकाउंटेंसी के चैप्टर फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ पार्टनरशिप का एक इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है। लेट्स बिगिन। Guarantee of profits to a partner. Well, sometimes a partner is admitted into the firm with a guarantee of certain minimum amount by way of his share of profits of the firm. Such assurance may be given by the old partners in a certain ratio or any of the old partners individually to the new partner. The minimum guaranteed amount shall be paid to such new partner when his share of profit as per the profit sharing ratio is less than the guaranteed amount. Now what this basically signifies is that when a new partner tries to join your firm, he needs to have some assurity that will your firm be able to earn sufficient profits or not. In such cases, the old partners give him assurance through this guarantee that whatever be the profits of our firm, you shall have a certain share of profit, and for that we guarantee that to you. Now this can be done by all the partners, or it can also be done individually by one partner to another partner. Now before I go further into this, I'd like to clarify one thing, that concept is the most important thing for any particular topic. Now this chapter does not come as a part of theory, it comes only as a practical question, or it may even come as a part of another big long question. So if you understand the concept, whatever question, whatever topic may come, you'll be able to attempt it well. Okay, so now we'll understand this better through an example. Now see, there are three particular cases. The thing that I just mentioned is explained here through the cases in the form of a diagram. First case, when one partner gives guarantee to another partner. Second case, when all the remaining partners give guarantee to another partner. And the third case, which we usually do not discuss and which comes as a part of a HOTS question, is when one partner guarantees a certain amount of profit to the firm. Coming back to the second case again, there can be two particular cases. First is when the remaining partners guarantee to the new partner in the old ratio. Now, this can also happen when the question is silent. If the question is not specified, the ratio, then we take up the old ratio of the remaining partners. Otherwise, if it is specified, then we use that provided ratio. We'll discuss this again, these cases one by one through different examples. Now the first example, which is the case 1. Now read the question carefully. A, B and C are partners in a firm. C is guaranteed a minimum amount of rupees 50,000 as a share of profit every year. Any deficiency arising on that account shall be met by A. The profits for the year ending 31st March 2020 are rupees 1,20,000. Prepare P&L appropriation account for the year ending 31st March 2020. Now first understand the question. यहाँ पर हमारे पास मेन चीजें क्या क्या है? पहली बात, ABC तीन पार्टनर्स हैं. क्या यहाँ पर कोई रेशियो मेंशन है? नहीं. So that brings us to the main concept जो आपने इस टॉपिक को स्टार्ट करते टाइम, इस चैप्टर को पढ़ते टाइम मेन चीज पढ़ी होगी, that when the question is silent about the profit sharing ratio, तो क्या रेशियो लेकर चलते हैं? Equal, which is 1:1:1. So the first thing, since question में specified नहीं है कि partners का क्या ratio है, that would be 1:1:1. Okay. Now next thing, C is guaranteed a minimum amount of rupees 50,000 as a share of profit. Now understand this thing, जब हम guarantee की बात करते हैं, तो guarantee का मतलब ये है कि अगर आपको उससे कम profit मिलता है, तो बाकी के partners compensate करेंगे. अगर उसको उतना ही amount या उससे ज्यादा अमाउंट मिलता है, तो इन दैट केस बाकी पार्टनर्स को कुछ भी कॉम्पनसेट करने की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं होती. इन दिस केस दे हैव guaranteed an amount of rupees 50,000 to the partner C. Now the important part, it says any deficiency arising on that account shall be met by A. So this is the first case when one single partner is guaranteeing the amount of profit to another partner. Accordingly, we have to prepare the P&L appropriation account and distribute the profits amongst the three partners. Understood the question? Clear? Main things, A, B, C are partners. Ratio is not mentioned, so it is 1:1:1. Guaranteed amount is rupees 50,000. Any deficiency shall be met completely by A. Now, understand this. See, I've tried to show this through the help of a diagram so that it gets clear to you. Now see, the profit of the firm is how much? 1,20,000. Now you have to distribute in the ratio of 1:1:1. A 120 ka 1:1:1 means 1/3. 1/3 is 40,000. So 40,000 A, 40,000 will go to B and 40,000 will go to C. Now हमारा मेन कंसर्न यहाँ पर किसका है? C का. C का शेयर कितना है? 40,000. बट हमने गारंटी कितना किया था? 50,000. How much is the deficiency? Rupees 10,000. अब ये कौन compensate करेगा? A. So 10,000 will be given to C by A. You can see how I have shown this with the red pen that 40,000 will be 40,000 which is of C. 10,000 again profit will be given to C to make it 50,000 and that shall be taken from the amount of A's share of profit. Now come to the P&L appropriation account. Since आप कितने भी working notes बना लें, at the end it's very important that you prepare the account properly. Now in this case we have, again kids, I would like to tell you, pro forma, the format is the most important thing in accountancy. Be sure you mention all the columns, make it up properly. Now first I'll discuss the format again with you. This is P&L appropriation account. Appropriation means distribution, right? P&L appropriation account for the year ending. Now this is an account. बैलेंस शीट एक स्टेटमेंट होती है तो वहां पर हम एज ऑन या एज एट लिखते हैं. दिस इज एन अकाउंट, तो हम मेंशन करेंगे फॉर द ईयर एंडिंग 31 मार्च 2020. डेबिट साइड, क्रेडिट साइड, पर्टिकुलर्स अमाउंट रुपीज एंड दैट्स हाउ इट इज डन. ओके, नाउ द प्रॉफिट, ये प्रॉफिट हमारा कहां से आया है? P&L अकाउंट से. दिस नेट प्रॉफिट, हम इसको बाय नेट प्रॉफिट भी लिख सकते हैं बट अ मच बेटर वे इज टू राइट डाउन बाय P&L अकाउंट which is rupees 1,20,000. Now the profits will be transferred to the three partners A, B and C. Usually as per the ratio of 1:1:1, it should be 40,000, 40,000 and 40,000. But since C was guaranteed the amount, so that's been reduced from A and added up to C. So that makes it 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, a total of 120,000, and that completes our question. Understood? Quite simple now. So that was the first case that we did. Okay, now using the same question as reference, now we will discuss case number 2. Now read this carefully again. A, B, C are partners in a firm. Ratio कितना होगा? 1:1:1. According to the partnership agreement, now look for the case that the change that we have in this case. C is guaranteed a minimum amount of rupees 50,000 as a share of profit every year, and the profits are rupees 1,20,000. But इस question में ये तो mention ही नहीं किया कि C को देगा कौन? Now that's the thing we just discussed. If the question is silent, that how much and who is going to compensate for the deficiency for the guaranteed share, in that case it would be the remaining partners in the old ratio. We have guaranteed the amount to C. What are the old partners? Remaining partners are A and B. And what is the old ratio? 1:1. So being a case of silent, it clarifies that A and B will compensate the deficiency for C in the ratio of 1:1. Okay, now let's move to the explanation. Again, look over here. I've explained through the diagram. This is A and B. This time I'm going to give the guarantee to C. Again, a profit of rupees 50,000. I'm going to reiterate over here that in case the profit, the share of profit of C is 50,000 or more than 50,000, then there's nothing to be done on the part of A and B. But here again, the profit is 1,20,000. We divide it into three shares, 40,000, 40,000, 40,000. But C was guaranteed 50,000. Deficiency is how much? 50,000 minus 40,000, which is rupees 10,000. Now that has to be compensated by whom? In the previous case, it was by a single partner. This time it is by two partners. Which ratio? Old ratio. Old ratio is 1:1. So 10,000, if you divide it into 1:1, which is 1/2, 1/2, half, which is 5,000 and 5,000. So from A, 40,000 minus 5,000, and again from B, 40,000 minus 5,000. So that gives you the amount 35,000, 35,000 and 50,000. Now kids, one thing I would like to mention here, for your clarification, I have made up this diagram and I've tried to show this up diagrammatically, but it's not really important that you show this above part. You can directly jump to this P&L appropriation account and show it over there. Like you remember in the previous case we did, over here it was, in this case, like it was there, 40,000 में से 10,000 we showed in the account itself. Again C में 40,000 में 10,000 we added up in the account itself. So that can also be done on your part, and in that case आपको diagrammatically show करने की requirement नहीं होगी. Okay? Since I've already showed up in the diagram above, so I have not shown that again into the account. Okay? Again we have 1,20,000 profit, 35,000, 35,000, 50,000, total of 120,000 distributed between the partners. Shall we move to the next now? Okay. Now this is a variation of the case second. So I've named it as second B. Now let's read this question carefully. Now this is the most common case that usually comes in your questions. We have A, B and C are partners in a firm. C is guaranteed a minimum amount of rupees 50,000 as a share of profit every year, similar as the previous one. Now the important line here is, any deficiency arising on that account shall be met by A and B in the ratio of 3:2. Now the profits for the year ending, again I've kept the same, which is 1,20,000. Now know the difference. We'll jump to the explanation part here. This time A and B are giving a guarantee to C. Again the deficiency is of rupees 10,000, but this time it will be compensated by A and B in the ratio of 3:2. So 10,000 का आपको यहाँ पर 3:2 करना है. 10,000 का 3:2 means 3/5 of 10,000, 2/5 of 10,000, which is rupees 6,000 and 4,000. Accordingly, when we prepare the P&L appropriation account, we'll show it up over here as 34,000, 36,000 and 50,000. Okay, so just slight variations of different cases that might appear before you. Okay, now this is the third case. Let's come to this. Read this carefully. A, B and C are partners in a firm. A guarantees that the profits of the firm shall not be less than rupees 1,20,000 every year. The profits for the year ending 31st March 2020 are rupees 1,05,000. Now this is basically a case of HOTS. You'll usually not find it in your books, but this might come as a HOTS question, where in case a partner has given a guarantee to the firm that it will have at least a profit of rupees of any certain amount, like here we have taken rupees 1,20,000. Come to this question. This time guarantee is given by A to the firm. In this case, the first step that we need to remember is whatever deficiency is there, that will be taken from that partner's capital account to the profit of the firm. Now look at the P&L appropriation account on the credit side. Credit side may I have written by P&L account rupees 1,05,000, which is the profit of the firm. Now the guarantee was given by whom? A. And how much for the deficiency? Up to rupees 1,20,000. In this case, the deficiency is of rupees 15,000 that has been taken up directly by A's capital account, and we have shown it over there. Now, earlier the profit was 1,05,000. 15,000 compensated by A to the whole firm. Then it comes to rupees 1,20,000. Now, this profit shall be distributed to the partners in their particular specified ratio. Here in case it is 1:1:1, so it has been distributed accordingly. Understood? So here were the three cases that we just discussed. Case number 1, where one partner gives guarantee to the another partner. Case number 2, when the remaining partners are giving a guarantee to the next partner, and case number 3, when a partner gives guarantee to the firm itself. Now this was the whole topic of guarantee of profit to a partner. This was the basic concept. बेटा अगर आपको एक कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आ जाएगा तो गारंटी का कोई भी क्वेश्चन उठाएं आप उसको सॉल्व कर पाएंगे. बट अब इसमें जितने भी और अलग अलग क्वेश्चंस हो सकते हैं, विल बी डिस्कसिंग दैट इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. स्टे ट्यून्ड एंड स्टे सेफ. थैंक यू.